So this policy is applicable to all the industrial units, industrial parks, R&D projects, warehousing, and all, except those specified in the negative list that we are not going to see. So what is the vision? Vision is to make Tamil Nadu a good number one state to invest, innovate, and create products and associated services. Vision is a long-term goal, and mission is how we are going to achieve the vision. So evolve Tamil Nadu into the most preferred destination for investors. So you have to be periodically in touch with all these companies, and you have to be conducting meeting and understanding the requirement, and you have to do that. So enhance the investment climate. So improve the climate so that it is easy for everyone. Continuously improve the ease of doing business. So bring more factories and provide employment, more employment to the people. So by doing this, you accelerate the state's knowledge and innovation hub into becoming India's foremost hub for high-tech industries, the sunrise sector. So by doing this, your state becomes a very innovative ecosystem so that you can really call for all the top-notch companies to come and invest in your state and harness the state's skilled human resource for economic development. So definitely the people of the state are going to be the skilled resources. So how we are going to utilize them properly for achieving the economic development is going to be the huge question mark. And enable balanced regional development. So ensure that all the regions of the state grow in a uniform and positive growth, and no, and not exponential growth. They say balanced regional growth. So balanced means it should happen at regular intervals of time. So it should not happen abruptly and then stop. Okay. So what is the progress and the new goals? So progress is Tamil Nadu. We have achieved a growth of 13% in the years between. Compounded means overall. Considering cumulatively from 14, 15, 19, 20, we have achieved growth of 13%. Now it is very easy to attain 14% with Vision 2023. But we are setting the goal to achieve 50% in the manufacturing sector during the policy term. So we are keeping 1% higher, which means that our level of quality is very high. So what we do, even though 14% is enough, but we keep 15 and strive to achieve 15% growth in the 2023 vision document. Next one. So all the increments, the investments, what we have attracted is 10% every year we are increasing it 10% every year in manufacturing. An annual growth of 14% we have achieved in incremental investments in manufacturing, 25.74% across all the sectors. The incremental investment means, see, 1 year I'm getting investment of 10 crore. Next year I'm getting an investment of 11 crore, means there is a 10% growth. So from 10 to 11, I have a 10% growth. That is what they are meaning. So if you take the overall thing from 2013, we have got 25.74% across all the sectors. So our aim is to attract investments worth 10 lakh crore between 2020 and 2025. So all these are long-term goals. Still, we have four more years to go for 2025, right? So we plan ahead and see what is the best possible thing we can achieve. So create, the government has so far created employment for 20 lakh people and has over 45,000 factories employing 25.65 lakh people as of February 2020. The state has renewed the effort to push this towards skill development. See, ultimately, how much ever resources you have, unless they are fully skilled, they cannot be employed by the companies, right? So my goal is to create employment opportunities for 20 lakh people by 2025. Okay, so you see that the skilled workforce is coming every year. Every year they are passing out and coming and ready to be put into jobs. But we don't have that much companies or firms to provide jobs to them. Okay, so we are saying that consistently we are going to provide 20 lakh job opportunities to people by 2025. And the manufacturing sector is the thing which is contributing the majority of the government's income. So we are planning to have a 30% contribution. Initially, it is 25%. We are going to increase the contribution of manufacturing sector to 30% of the total revenue by 2030.